shit.
Oh shit!
Why are you shitting pink?
Pink shit!
Pink shit.
My pink shit.
Oh man. Oh, I just had to go. Sorry.
Oh, yeah. I understand, Felicia. I get the pink shits too.
Oh, nasty. Gotta wash my hands.
Ready? Ready for it again?
Yeah.
Here, let me use your boob to wipe off my hand.
Okay. I think bubbles in it now.
Wait, hold on. Will soap make bubbles?
Yes. That's a new life lotions.
Oh, really? Here, then you squirt it. Ready? Set, go!
Doesn't jizz that easily.
Okay, that's really... Okay, how about we mix it up? Squirt some in there and we mix it up. Here's my toothy brush. This is a beautiful toothy brush. What are we gonna mix it up with? We mix it up with this concoction.
Where's the rubber ducky when you need it?
Hey, that was your toe. Ready? Hold on. Hold on. Hold on. Holy shit.
What are you doing?
You're on a video.
Go away.
Okay, we're leaving. We're leaving.
Mama.
God damn. Back
You better
to...
not delete any of those videos.
Oh, you know what? It's a different card. God damn white people. What? Okay.
Bubbles are fun. Let's try to make it into the rim this time.
Yeah. Yeah, let's make it to the rim. It's so realistic. Damn. So freaking realistic.
Here's what strange you need.
On the floor next to the thingy. Let's put pink shit in there too.
Oh, we used all the pink shit. It's everywhere. That's insane.
I don't think you know how to do it right. Here,
Okay.
hold this.
Okay.
I'll do it for you.
Okay.
Oh man. Bubbles.
I'm done. I don't know if we're going to be able to post this video because
Oh my god.
she might know.
We are the truth. Okay, hold on. Hold on, I'm gonna have to put this down for a second.
Okay. Yeah, get that off before I get found out. Oh yeah.
Poor Cinderella got wet. Fucking whore.
Her.
Oh!
Man, we're so like
Okay. We're gonna flush this now. What? Alright. We watch this. They want to. Bye bye, Bubbles. We miss you. We miss you. Oh, oh, get him back! I missed him. I missed him too.
came out now. Hey, look at that. You're a smart ass cookie.
Oh, I got bubbles all over me.
Holy shit!
It's quite dark. I know.
Goodbye.
I like bubbles.
Goodbye, Nigarachi.
Yeah.
That's a grouchy ass bitch.
Try to turn off.
We still got 48 seconds left, nigga.
Oh. Until you got another round. Let's go put lotion in it.
These are my orange balls named Hedrick and Frederick. Felicia, you're playing with Frederick.
I like Frederick.
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 Hedrick and Frederick. Yeah.